dance is called Islands in the Stream. 32 count, 4 walls. There's no tag and no restart. It's an intermediate line dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1, start with your left foot. Step your left to the side. Rock back on your right. Recover. Do a side chassis to your right. Side together, side. Cross left over right. Do a full turn unwind with the weight remaining on your right. Full turn unwind, the weight remaining on your right. Do a left chassis. Side together, side. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Section 2. Rock your right back. Rock back, recover. Do a kickball cross. Kickball cross. Step your right to the side. Recover. Do a sailor step. Behind, side, side. Section 2 with a count. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Section 3. Do a sailor quarter turn to your left. Behind, side, side. Forward shuffle with your right. Step together, step. Make a half turn to your right, stepping your left back. Hold for 1 count and step your right back, recover. Section 3 with a count. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, hold 7, 8, 1. Last section. Pixie walk. Cross right over left and cross left over right. Do a sailor step. Cross, side, recover. And do a syncopated jazz box. Cross, back, side, cross. Last section with a count. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. And you finish the dance here facing 3 o'clock for wall 2. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and